everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. Before we begin, if you enjoy friendly stories and learning English with us,
don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
yes, it really supports our channel and helps us create more lessons for you.
And it makes Emma smile, which is very important for world peace.
Tom,
Okay. Let's begin.
today we have a warm, funny, emotional story about learning English through mistakes.
Mostly my mistakes.
Yes, mostly Tom's mistakes.
I learned the hard way.
But you keep laughing.
Exactly. And that's why the title today is...
Tom, before we start the actual story, can we talk about learning for a moment?
Sure, but every time you say talk, I feel like wisdom is coming.
I promise. Only soft wisdom today.
Good. Hard wisdom hurts my brain.
Tom, do you ever feel frustrated when you make mistakes?
Honestly, yes, a lot.
Then why do you laugh every time?
Because if I don't laugh, I will cry.
Well, that's fair.
Also, when I laugh, I feel lighter. Learning feels easier.
Exactly. That's why this story is special.
Because I suffer in it?
No! Because you learn beautifully in it.
Ah, yes. Beautifully painful learning.
Tom,
Sorry, continue.
today we'll show how mistakes become lessons and how lessons become progress.
And how progress becomes... pizza?
Tom, why pizza?
I don't know. My brain likes pizza.
Let's focus, Tom.
Okay, I'm ready.
The day started like many days, with Tom waking up late.
Hey, I didn't wake up late on purpose.
You set your alarm for 7 p.m.
The P&A looks similar when you're sleepy.
No, Tom, they don't.
Fine, continue shaming me.
When you came to class, your hair looks like a bird tried to build a nest on your head.
That bird was very active, okay?
And you walked into the wrong room again.
The sandwiches were calling me spiritually.
That was the teacher's lunchroom.
They looked at me like I was a thief.
Tom, you were sniffing their sandwiches.
I was appreciating their aroma.
They didn't appreciate you.
Fine. What happened next?
Then you came to my class with hair chaos, hungry eyes, and no notebook.
The notebook ran away from me.
Tom, how can a notebook run?
Emotionally.
But you sat down, finally ready to learn.
And ready to redeem myself.
So I began the lesson with simple sentences.
And I repeated the first one perfectly.
Yes, I am learning English.
Best moment of my life.
Then I asked you to say, I learn from my mistakes.
And I said,
I learn from Emma's mistakes.
my mouth betrayed me. My brain meant something else.
And the whole class stared at us.
They looked like they were watching a soap opera.
Then we practiced present simple. I eat breakfast every day.
And I said, I eat pizza every day.
Tom, that is not true.
It is true. In my heart.
Hearts do not write grammar.
They should. Hearts are very important.
Then we practiced present continuous. I am studying now.
And I said, I am eating pizza now. In my imagination.
At least your grammar was correct.
Because my imagination has a university degree.
After class, we went to the coffee shop.
My moment to shine.
Tom, you ordered, I want a large hot iced coffee.
I panicked. The words got mixed.
Hot ice does not exist.
In science fiction, it does.
But we were not in a movie.
And then I paid.
And walked away without the coffee.
I thought the cup was too light.
Because you did not take it.
I know. I realized too late.
And then the barista looked at me like, please help this man.
I needed emotional support.
Tom, can I tell you something honestly?
Emotional speech incoming.
Yes, but listen carefully.
I'm listening.
You make mistakes. Many mistakes.
I know.
But every time you try again, you keep smiling. You keep laughing. And that's why you learn.
Really?
Yes, learning is not about being perfect. It's about making progress. step by step.
Even if the steps are very small.
Small steps are still steps.
That makes me feel better.
Good, because you're improving every day.
Emma, today's story was painful for my memory.
But helpful for your English.
True. I learned a lot.
And we hope you enjoyed learning with us too.
If you liked today's friendly story,
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so more learners can join us.
Your support really helps us grow our channel.
And it means a lot to both of us.
thank you for being here with us.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!